Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna be tackling some stuff around the house today, and I figured I'll go ahead and pick up my camera and vlog. I'm in my master bath. I am about to take this down and put up a new one. Let me show you. So I wanted to go ahead and get this one here. It's from QT Home Decor. The company reached out. They reached out to me and wanted to sponsor this video, so I have to give them a really big thanks for that. But I have this here, and I have one more item, a tissue holder, but I'm not going to put it in this bathroom. I'm going to put it in the one downstairs because, you know, the one downstairs is pretty outdated, but I'll show you in a second. Right now, I'm just going to work on doing this one here. But it's so nice. I like that it has the shelf. Let me show you. So you can like put stuff up there, you know. Then it has the 2 bars. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I still have the hose from the last one that I had up here, but it was starting to like come off the wall and it was just damaged. I'm going to go ahead and put something that looks more sleek and, you know, nice. Alright, so I have this one and it's pretty wide. It's not going to line up with the hose that I already have in the wall. I don't know if you guys can see from this angle, but I'm going to have to put new holes in the wall and patch up, maybe just patch up one. Maybe I'll just use that. Yeah, wait. You know what, I'm not gonna put it right here because it does stick out kind of far and I don't have enough space. Like, let me show you guys. So my shower is right here. I have this much space, and if this is up here, it's gonna stick out like this, and when you're coming around this corner, it's just, you're gonna have to watch yourself when you come around the corner to not hit it. So I want to leave this wall empty. I'm going to put it on this wall. I think it's going to look better up there. I do like these pictures, but they're starting to rust. You can't really see it, but up close you can see that it's starting to get like all rusted and stuff around the frame. So I was going to replace them anyways. But yeah, you can really see it on this one. I don't know if you can see it like all around the frame. It's starting to look really bad. So gonna get rid of those. All right, so I got it up. I'm patching up this side and I like it. I like it a lot. You can put multiple towels on there and stack more above, so that's really good. But yeah, I'm not gonna do anything with this wall yet. I was thinking about putting some art up here, but I need to let this spackle dry and then I need to sand it. So that's done. Now I can go and do the tissue holder. I'm gonna put this one downstairs because the one in my powder room is really outdated. So you see it's pretty outdated, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with this one. Give it more of a modern look. I do plan to remove these stickers off of the wall because I want to paint in here and I want to put up like a different wallpaper. This was a DIY I did with a bunch of Dollar Tree stickers, and they're starting to peel off of the wall anyways, like the kids ripping them off and they're lifting. Like over here, for some reason they're lifting, all of the ones at the bottom, like all around lifting. So I'm gonna just take it down. It's been a while. I mean, oh, this one is starting to lift up too and the kids cannot reach up there. So it's just not sticking anymore. But they did stick for a pretty long time to be like some Dollar Tree stickers. The adhesive wasn't that strong, but strong enough to have them up here for some years. But yeah, it's time to, you know, do something new. I want to switch up this room. If we stay in this house, I'm definitely gonna make some changes in here. I really want to replace the vanity. I mean, this one isn't too bad, but I definitely want to change this paint color, and I want this to be like a really bold powder room, and you can get away with doing something crazy because it's such a small space. I was thinking about replacing the lights, but yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and tackle this for now. Alright, so I am done with this one. I went ahead and patched up the hole. I didn't do a great job with it, but it's okay because I'm actually going to be installing a new wallpaper in this room, like covering up all of the walls. So I'm not even going to worry about that because it's not going to be seen. So yeah, I had to go to Lowe's and get a color match. They give you these samples. Let me show you. Okay, so you get this sample when you're doing a color match, and it comes in a satin finish. This is like a flat finish. So in order for me to get like a flat finish on my color match sample, I would actually have to buy like a quart, and that's too big to, you know, only need it for this little space. I mean, it's okay. Like I said, I plan on covering this up anyways, but for the sake of this video and not having, you know, the unfinished paint and a hole in the wall, I decided to just go ahead and take the sample in a satin, so it's going to be shinier. And to be honest with you, I'm not too crazy about the color match. I don't usually do color match because it never comes out right. Like, you can definitely tell the difference. So, you know, I really don't care for color matching, but I could not find this paint color. I have no clue what it is. It's not saved in my phone. Like, I save all of my paint colors in my phone, but yeah, I just don't have this color, and I don't have any more left over either in like my stash of extra paint. So I had to just deal with a paint match, but yeah, I'm not even gonna make a big fuss about it. It's okay. No big deal, but I'm gonna get my wallpaper installed maybe next week, maybe, not really sure. I'm still waiting for it to arrive, but this looks better than having like the hole in the wall and then the white from the drywall and stuff. It looks better, so it's good for now. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. You guys, I cannot wait to share the new wallpaper. I cannot wait. But yeah, the stickers are gonna come off. I'm gonna record the process, just waiting for it to arrive and, you know, just fix up this space. Moving or not, I think the new wallpaper is gonna be you know, an upgrade. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'd be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.